What's good YouTube, it's your boy Nick Wavy. I'm back with a new video. Now this video was something I've been wanting to make just because the process for it was so long. Now I want to explain to you guys what happened. I launched Wavy merch February, I think it was 13th. That's when I officially went live and everything was available. April was when I started working on the new product. When you're making new products, it takes time. Like, it's not something, well, I mean, it could be quick if you just want to order straight from the supplier, just whatever they have, order it. But if you want to customize, if you want to make your own, it's a process. You need to get the mold, you need to get the samples, you need to test the samples, you need to make adjustments to the samples, and it's actually a process, okay? So I've been working on this since April, engineering the ideas and coming to an agreement with my team on what's good, what's not good. And I finally got it, y'all. So I'm super happy. This was super stressful. It took so much of my energy. I'm just happy I got them done. It was such a relief. And now I'm able to share them with you guys. I've been working on these for a long time. It's been 6 months of, back and forth with the suppliers and with my team, trying to make what I feel is perfect to my liking. Right? Because I'm a waver myself, so I need to make sure that my products are good because I use them. Without further ado, I am going to do a grand unboxing of every new product that I launched on the website. And wait, I have one more product I'm gonna put in the box, but you're not gonna see it yet, so hold up. Okay, so we got that. I am going to give away all of this. Okay, everything that's in this box, I'm doing giveaways. So for the giveaway, just follow me on IG or follow Nick Wavy, follow Wavy merch. Post some comments on the pictures that I always upload, and I'm just gonna choose random people and I'm gonna DM you, give me your address, and I'm gonna send it out. So I'm sending out, we'll get into that in a minute, right? But so let's get into the unboxing. I got my knife and let's pull out the comb. Now this is definitely my favorite creation because I made this from scratch. Like, I had the idea, I laid it down, and I brought it to life, and it was a really good feeling. So it's called the TriTeeth Premium comb, and it's basically a portable comb that you're able to take out in public, and it's stylish because you can't really take out a plastic comb in public. Like, it looks kind of, like, what are you doing? But if you pull this out, people are gonna be like, yo, what is that? Like, what is that? So it's a TriTeeth Premium comb. It's TriTeeth functionality. So basically there's two outer lines and there's a smaller set of teeth on the inside, so it pulls all your hair. And I have a review on this dropping tomorrow. So it's already uploaded, I just gotta press publish. Foldable for portability. I made this comb because I was brushing outside and my hair was so laid down, I needed to comb it to lift everything back up so I could brush it back down and make more progress. And rounded points for comfortability. So if you had a previous comb, I can't remember what the brand is called, but it's a comb you see a lot of wavers use. If you stab yourself in the head with that comb, I honestly don't think there's nothing more painful than that. Now, I've stabbed myself in the head many times and you feel it days after. Like, even when you're brushing, you still feel like there's a hole in your head. It's excruciating. So what I did with the teeth of this comb is I rounded them. It's not gonna stab you in your head, it's just gonna glide over. So I'm tired of talking. Let me get the knife, and I'm giving all this away, y'all. So let's cut this open, and let's cut this open on the bottom. Okay. So basically, you just pull it out just like that. And there we go. Comb looks just like that. I'll zoom it in and everything. Take out the comb, and here you have it. So it's small, it's about the size of half the size of my hand, but you can open it, and it's about the same size as my hand, as you can see. I'm gonna zoom in, but as you can see, there's two longer pieces here, longer sets of teeth, and then there's a smaller one on the inside, and you just fold it just like that. So I actually took this to New York the other day and I put it in my box, went like this, just like that. It was easy. So that's the TriTeeth comb. Now let's get into the Durags. I have, well, let's see, this is the white premium stretch Durag. The reason why I like the stretch Durags is because it's a lot more comfortable. Now, I've had these Durags for months, okay? This isn't even a new one. This is like the sample that I had. I prefer the stretch Durags because it's a lot more comfortable. It just feels a lot more comfortable. So I use these to sleep in. I don't usually wear these out. I mean, I could, but these are most comfortable when I'm sleeping, in my opinion. Let me unbox it. This is the official unboxing. There we go. So as you can see, it's clean, long strings, and the logo I put on all of them are on the back. So as you can see right here, I didn't want to make it big and obnoxious. I wanted it to be subtle. So that's the white Durag. This one's actually my favorite. I actually love white Durags. I don't know how to fold this up, but let's do all the stretch Durags first. Okay, here's the next one. I just want to show you guys the packaging. My graphic designer, and he's crazy. He's a sicko with it. I don't know how he comes up with this, but the presentation is 10 out of 10. So open it up from the bottom. And then here we go. So this is the navy blue stretch Durag. Long strings, stretchy material. And again, it has the logo on the inside. So there we have that. Out of all the colors that I have for the stretch, I would have to say white is my favorite. I think white is my favorite. And then we have the last stretch Durag. We got flavors. We got options. So here we go. I don't know how they folded this, but there we go. So I made the strings relatively wide, as you can see here. I don't like thin strings. Thin strings. I don't like that. And again, we have the logo there. And they're long enough, you know, it's a stretchy material, so you'll definitely be able to wrap this around your head easily with room to spare. And I feel like the material is really nice and comfortable, so I use this to sleep. This is my sleep Durag. Okay, now let's get into the silkies. We have 3 color options for the silkies. This is the burgundy. Now I think this was the first Durag I had. I had the burgundy sample. Oh, this is nice. I haven't even opened these. I don't have the new ones. I have all the old samples, so I might have to keep these for myself. Nah, I'm playing. But this one I like because it's a lot more breathable, I guess you could say. You can see the logo right there, the black stitching around the corners to make sure that things don't rip as easily. And I like the silkies. The silkies are definitely more fashionable than, well, it really depends on the type of look that you want. You know, silkies are in right now. So if I were to go out in public, I would be using the silkies. And wait, how do I fold this now? I think it was like this. Nah, that's a fail. I like to use the silkies if you're in the gym. I think that'd be the best time to use the silkies because the breathable material is not as thick as the stretch. And it has a nice little shine to it, as you can see sitting right there. This is the navy blue. This is nice. And it's thin. I like how it's a thin material and it still has a shine. I like my logo too. My logo was well placed on the back. So I don't want to have things too obnoxious, you know, like I'm not trying to do that. Sometimes I personally don't like repping brands. So try and fold this up. I need you guys to post in the comment which Durag, if you had to pick 3. If you had to pick 3 Durags, which one would you guys choose? So we got the blue, we got one more. And this is probably the most common one. This is the black silky with gold stitching. Yeah, this is fire. Now I actually noticed that these match. So actually on the site, if you go on the comb is for $17.95, but there's an option to get a Durag included for $18.95, so just an extra $1. I would say get that, and it matches. And who knows, maybe the next brush I drop will be the same colorway too. So we got the logo here. As you see, it's breathable. I like it. I like it a lot. Let me fold this up. The hardest part is probably folding it. I don't know how to fold Durags. And now let's get into the final two. We have to get the velvets for the culture. Now when it comes to velvets, I'm personally not, I wouldn't say a fan, but I don't really wear velvet Durags because I feel like these are mostly for style. Okay, I think the velvets are mostly for style. They look really good. As you can see, the crushed velvet is a vibe. Like, it looks nice. And then this is nice. I can't even lie. Look at the shine. That's definitely a vibe. Now, I would only wear a velvet. Like, I don't know where I would wear a velvet. If I really want to just go for style, I would wear a velvet. Other than that, I just wear the stretch of the silky. But these look nice. That's the thing. These look fire. Damn. And then we got one more. Now, a lot of things I don't do for the ladies. When I made this one, ladies, I did this for you. So this is the pink velvet Durag. This is like a hot pink. Oh, this is nice. I don't even think I have this one. Oh, this is actually fire. Damn. This is actually fire. Okay. This is like the bubblegum pink on the inside. Okay. Logos on the side. This is nice. I don't even have this one. I might have to keep this. I shouldn't be giving these away. I gotta keep these myself. Nice. Okay, so this is the pink velvet. This is a vibe. Okay. These are easier to fold than the other ones. I guess maybe it's a thicker material. And last but not least, I have the Cup Buddies. I put the Cup Buddies on the website individually, so we're selling for $9.95. Cup Buddy. Man, I remember when I first got the Cup Buddy, I got it and I'm like, this actually works. Because I always have problem getting, I've always told you guys, I always have problems on the curves. And this gives you the template to basically put on your head, then you can line yourself up on the curve. So we have a few of these on the site for $9.95, and if they're sold out by the time you guys get it, you can go to cutbuddy.com and use the coupon code NickWavy and you can get 10% off. So these are the products right here, and I'm sending all of these out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send them in twos. I'm gonna send a silky and a velvet, a spandex and a silky, a velvet and a spandex, you know, and then a comb. I'll send out a Cup Buddy too. I'm gonna send it out in pairs. So all you guys have to do is go on the Wavy Merch IG page, spam the comments, tag 3 friends in the comments, and do that on my personal page too. I'm just gonna choose random people, okay? So if you win, you're gonna get a DM from me, send me your address, and I'm gonna be sending out your package. I'm happy. I know you guys see me go through a lot in the past few months to get to this stage, so the fact that I have them now, the stress and the monkey is off my back and my shoulders, and I'm just happy and relieved. So again, you go to www.wavymerch.com and place your orders. We have new brushes coming in December, okay? And I've been working on these for, again, a few months, but these ones, all the problems that you had with the first brushes, and my problems as well, have been addressed in the second version, and there's been a little touch of finesse on it, okay? So December, I'm trying to have those before Christmas, wavymerch.com, and for the YouTube fam, I need you to use the code YouTube fam, one word, for 10% off. So I'm happy. I hope you guys are happy too. I appreciate the support, y'all, and good luck to everyone who enters the competition. Just go on Wavy Merch IG page or my page and tag 3 friends in the comments, and that's it, y'all. I'm gonna choose random winners. We'll catch y'all in the next video.